This is box number 8. What you will get? You will get this silicone mold. This is very good size. It is around maybe just give me 1 second. It's 4 by 4 inch and it's very good size. You will get this stencil in this box. You will get this stencil, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this watercolor paper embellishments. The MRP is 130, and this stencil. So the MRP of this box is 2030, and I am giving for 1000 rupees free shipping. This is box number 7, and there are so many items: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Total 10 items for 1000 rupees and free shipping.